morning from Travel World Online team. I'm Monica. This is your daily travel and tourism update. Today, we track major global moves landing in India, a massive luxury expansion in Rajasthan, and the new travel trend reshaping the Himalayas. Let's get straight into the headlines of the day. Hilton has officially launched its premium economy brand, Spark by Hilton, in the Asia Pacific region, making its debut right here in India. Through a strategic partnership with Olive Hospitality to develop 150 hotels nationwide, Hilton has opened its first two properties in Bengaluru and Goa. Positioned to capture India's rapidly growing mid-market segment, Spark focuses on value-driven, tech-savvy stays. Guests can expect signature features like digital check-ins, complimentary breakfast, and locally inspired touches like DIY dosa stations. 10 more signings are already underway across major Indian cities. Next up, the Mangalam Group has signed a major agreement with Marriott International to develop a 350 crore rupee Sheraton hotel in Jaipur. Spanning over 3 lakh square feet on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway, this 220-key premium hotel marks Mangalam's third collaboration with Marriott. Strategically located near the airport and SEZ corridors, the property is designed to tap into Rajasthan's booming demand for luxury weddings and business MICE. The project is part of Mangalam's broader 1,000 crore rupee hospitality expansion plan. A fascinating shift in consumer behavior as Indian travelers swap crowded tourist hotspots for what's being called hospitality. Travel focused on peace, nature, and wellness. New data from Agoda reveals a massive surge in searches for quieter mountain retreats. Accommodation searches for Dharamshala skyrocketed by 154% year-on-year, while Rishikesh saw a 65% spike, and Uttarkashi rose by 17%, driven by an urge to disconnect from urban hustle. This trend is attracting heavy interest from both domestic vacationers and international travelers from the US, Japan, and Southeast Asia. In aviation news, United Airlines has officially launched its first transatlantic flight equipped with Starlink's high-speed satellite internet. The flight from Newark to London marks the debut of SpaceX's low Earth orbit connectivity on United's wide-body fleet. The airline plans to equip nearly 60 wide-body aircraft with Starlink this summer, aiming for a full fleet upgrade by next year. The service is complimentary for Mileage Plus members, allowing seamless streaming and gaming even over remote polar regions. Heading to the Middle East, Atlantis Dubai has rolled out an exclusive summer incentive for international travelers. Guests staying at Atlantis, the Palm or Atlantis the Royal who purchase eligible Emirates travel insurance will receive 100% of their premium back as resort credit. This credit can be spent on world-class dining, spa wellness, or attractions like Aquaventure World during their stay. To provide extra peace of mind, the offer also includes an extended cancellation policy valid for stays through September 2026. Back home, Lemon Tree Hotels is aggressively targeting India's multi-billion-dollar wedding market with the launch of the House of Celebrations. This dedicated platform bundles the group's extensive venue portfolio across various sub-brands to offer curated end-to-end event spaces. From ultra-luxury properties like Aurika, Udaipur and Mumbai to mid-scale locations, the initiative targets the rising demand for personalized destination weddings. Finally, looking at luxury river tourism, Antara Cruises has appointed hospitality veteran Vikram Mishra as its new business development manager. With over 15 years of deep expertise across hospitality sales and luxury MISE networks, Mishra's appointment comes at a time when river cruising is gaining massive momentum. Management expects his regional network to significantly scale Antara's market share in corporate segments and premium experiential travel. And that's all in this bulletin. For latest news updates from the world of travel and tourism, keep watching Travel World Online. I'm Monica signing off. Have a great day ahead.